Hello, let's discuss on the topic ground tissues. Ground tissues are all the tissues except the cell of the epidermis and the vascular bundles. So the first one is the hypodermis. Hypodermis is a layer of cells or region that is found below the epidermis. This hypodermis can be of both parenchyma or collenchyma. The main function of this hypodermis is to provide strength to the cells. The second is the cortex. The cell of the cortical region is made up of both parenchyma cells or collenchyma cells, and this cortex is found between the hypodermis and the endodermis. In some cortex, the parenchyma cell contain chlorophyll, hence they undergo photosynthesis. The main function of cortical cortex is to provide protection and also act as a storage and help in pumping of water to the inner side of the cell. The third is the endodermis. Endodermis is a single layer of cells, and the wall of this endodermis is made up of a thickening called as the suberin. So this thickening form a band called as the Casperin strip. These Casperin strips are found in the herbaceous stem and woody dicot roots. So the occurrence of this Casperin strip is the characteristic feature of endodermis. The main function of endodermis is to provide protection to the internal tissues of the plant and also prevent the outflow of water from the inner to the outside of the cell. Now the next topic, ground tissue is the pericycle. Pericycle is found below the endodermis. So the layer of cells that is found between the endodermis and the vascular bundle constitute the pericycle. The pericycle in case of roots are parenchymatous in origin. However, in case of stem, the pericycle can be both parenchymatous or sclerenchymatous. Now medullary ray. Medullary ray is just an extension of parenchyma cells from the pit in between the vascular bundles. So this extension found between the vascular bundles is called as the medullary ray. The medullary ray serves as a channel of transport of food and water from the pit to the cortex. So this serves as a channel for transport of water and food from the pit to the cortical region. In some medullary ray, the cells of this medullary ray become meristematic. Meristematic means ability to undergo division. So these meristematic cells of the medullary ray give rise to the intervesicular cambium. The last one is the pit. Pit is the central region of the root and shoot. The cells of the pit contain tannin and lignin crystals, and they serve as a storage of food material.